Hi friends, welcome to YouTube channel Bank Free PDFs Guru. Today we are discussing time and work shortcuts. It is very important topic for your upcoming exams, bank, SSC. Today we are discussing three methods on time and work. First one is conventional method, second one is LCM method, third one is shortcut. So let us discuss the first problem. A and B can do a piece of work in 15 days and 25 days. Both starts the work together for some time, but B leaves the job 7 days before the work is completed. Find the time in which work is finished. Okay. First we are discussing conventional method. First write down the values. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B can do a piece of work in 25 days. So first we find A plus B is 1 day work. A plus B. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B can do a piece of work in 25 days. First we find A plus B is 1 day work. A plus B is 1 day work. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. Find the LCM of 15 and 25. 15 and 25 LCM is 75. 15 5s are 25 3s are 8 by 75. Work is done by A plus B in 1 day. So we read the problem once again. B leaves the job 7 days before the work is completed. Means last 7 days B is not working. Last 7 days the work is done by A only. So we first find A's 7 days work. We know A's 1 day work is 1 by 15. A's 1 day work is 1 by 15. A's 7 days work is 7 by 15. Remaining work is 8 by 15. This 8 by 15 work is done by A plus B in first beginning days. So A plus B. So remaining work is 8 by 15. This work is done by A plus B. So you remember one thing here. Total work or remaining work by 1 day work. You will get days. So remaining work is 8 by 15. 8 by 15 by 1 day's work of A plus B. We get 8 by 75. Means 8 by 75. 75 by 8. 8 cancel. 15 5s are. We get 5 days. So total these 5 days are first beginning days and 7 days done by A. So 5 days plus 7 days, 12 days is the answer. Friends, second method is LCM method. In this method, first write down the values. A 15 days, B 25 days. Find out the LCM for these values. LCM is 75. So 15 5s are 75, 25 3s are 75. This is the 1 day work of A and B. A in 1 day 5 units of work. B in 1 day 3 units of work. A plus B in 1 day completely 8 units of work is done by A plus B. So B leaves the job 7 days before the work is completed. Means last 7 days of work is done by A only. So A in 1 day 5 units of work is done by A in 1 day. So in 7 days A's work in 7 days. 7 into 5. 35 units of work is done by A in last 7 days. So remaining work is 75 minus 35. Remaining work is 75 minus 35 is equal to 40. 40 units of work is remaining work. This work is done by A plus B. So A plus B 1 day work is 8 units. So 40 units of work, daily they do 8 units of work. So 40 units of work is done by 5 days. A plus B. So total days, last 7 days done by A only, first 5 days done by A plus B. So total days are 12 days. Okay, finally we are discussing shortcut method. You only concentrate on values and who leaves the job. So first, B leaves the job 7 days before the work is completed. So you write down the values of who leaves the job and how many days before who leaves the job is important. So B leaves the job and find the values of B first. B leaves the job 7 days before the work. So this means first B how many days he completed by the work. So B's work is done by 25 days. So write down the value of 25 plus how many days before he 7. Then the work is done by A. How many days? A's days is 15. So A and B total days 15 plus 25. 25 plus 7, 32 into 15. 15 plus 25, 40. 5 8s are 5 3s are 8 4s are 4 into 3, 12 days. So once again we discuss this problem. So in this shortcut method we only concentrate on who leaves the job and how many days before he leaves the job and how many days he done the total work. So B leaves the job 7 days before the work is completed. So write down the value of 7 and how many days of total work of B, 25 days. So 25 plus 7 into A's days, 15 days, 15. So total work of A plus B, 15 plus 25, 15 plus 25. We are solving this, directly we get answer 12 days. So I repeat it once again. First take the B days, B total days 25 plus how many days before B leaves the job, 7 days before B leaves the job. So write down the 7 into A's days 15 days into 15 by A plus B total days 15 plus 25. We calculate these values, you will get 12 days is the answer. If you have any queries, please comment on comment box. Please visit our website www.bankfreepdfs.in, our YouTube channel Bankfree PDFs Guru. Please subscribe it. Thanks for watching our video.